Hey guys, what's up? It's John Muscarello from Side Hustle Experiment. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I took the weekend off, which is great. I actually feel really good this week. Just refreshed and I literally did nothing. Well, I hung out with my friends on Saturday, then Sunday. It was just a very relaxed day as well. Today was just one of those kind of normal, grinded out kind of days at the warehouse. I was by myself. By myself. The helper, he's coming tomorrow. We're getting more books tomorrow. I just finished dropping off books at the lister's house. That was the batch of books that I bought from the Merch Fulfilled seller. It didn't really go how I wanted it to go, but I knew this was a chance. I'm not gonna lose money on it, but I'll probably break even. Again, like, you really don't want to break even because it is a lot of work to go through all the books. But again, there's still room to do business with him on other things that are unscanned, so that's exciting. What else did I do today? I uploaded a YouTube video. If you haven't seen it, go check that out. It's about how to find time to source. It is something a lot of people do complain about and always wonder how to find time to do it, and I basically cover exactly how to do it. What else? This week is going to be a busier week. I have books coming tomorrow. The helper will help me with those tomorrow, Wednesday, and probably partially Thursday. Thursday I am going to a book sale, but it's very different. I actually hate going to book sales. I just don't like them. But this one is one where I go the night before and get to scan everything before anyone else gets to go through the books. In return, I have to take all the books that aren't sold, which is kind of a pain because you know they're all bad, and for me it's not worth it to just scan them to see if it will be good for sell back your book because they're all in boxes. It just doesn't make sense. But this time I'm doing it smarter, and I will talk about that in a video on Saturday. So yeah, just a pretty good week ahead. I'm excited about it. I just had a good eBay weekend. That was the other thing I spent a good part of the morning doing, just shipping out items. We sold 6 different things. I tend to post them on my Instagram stories. So every morning when I sell something, I'll post it so you guys can see exactly what I'm selling, what to be on the lookout for. So I'll always do that, and I think it was about $300 worth of stuff. That's kind of a decent weekend for us. Usually we sell between anywhere from 1 to 2 items a day, and we try, they're not all huge home runs, but yeah, there's some that are $100, $200 per thing, per item. But in this case, it was a couple like $20, $30 items. I think 1 or 2 were above 50, so it was good day, solid. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. This is again, like, this is kind of another example of, like, not every day is exciting. There's just some days where you just get stuff done at the warehouse and kind of catch up on things, and that was one of those days today. And then the week will pick up as we go along. I'm still looking for new book sources, so that is an ongoing thing I am doing. And yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it there. If you like this video, please like it. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a ton. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow.